This is one of those dish that when you cook it at home, your house smelling like home, home. So everybody want to come home. The people and man, your husband, your side man, your side girl, your side whoever, your kids, everybody want to come home, come try this meal. This is a one pot chicken and rice. So what I did, I brown stew my chicken, brown them down, cook it down. I add some potatoes, carrot, and sweet corn, and then cook it down for a bit and add the rice later. This was really delicious with the coconut milk. Only thing I would done different is take the chicken out, add the rice, and then add the chicken on top. Nonetheless, this was so good. I had some avocado, sweet corn on the side, and fried plantain. Listen, I'm telling you, listen, try it yourself. Like and follow for more.